Hey guys, welcome to another Damilola Forex Academy video. Today I'm going to be doing a full raw price action breakdown of the USD JPY pair. Okay, so from time to time I'm going to be doing full breakdowns of multiple currencies and multiple pairs for you all to know how easy it is we use an organized price action driven system to analyze the forex market. As usual, we start from the monthly time frame and take it down to as low as the 1 hour time frame to look for a trade entry opportunity, and that is what we are going to be repeating on this particular analysis today. So let's go, guys. Before we get on to the video, I have a very great news for everyone. Due to popular demand, I have decided to launch my bootcamp 2.0, which is going to start on the 10th of May to the 12th of May 2024. Okay, so my aim is during this bootcamp, I'm going to be holding you by the hand through very, very important areas. Bootcamp 1.0 was very successful with over 90% success rate. Bootcamp 2.0, I assure you, is going to do even better. Okay, because I've outlined a lot of the very important areas that a lot of traders don't understand, or these are areas that are still holding a lot of traders down. Okay, so it cuts across different aspects of price action, very, very key aspects of price action. Bootcamp 2.0 is going to be more detailed, okay, because from the feedback with Bootcamp 1.0, I've been able to add so much positive things into Bootcamp 2.0 that are going to help you scale even faster and become even much more profitable in a shorter time. So it's going to cut across multiple aspects of multi-time frame analysis, teaching you various parts of it, trend following, the golden time frame for perfect trade execution, so many important parts of it. The ultimate price action trading system. I'm going to be explaining my trading system in bits, taking it in the minimum term, taking it very simple and making it very comprehensive for everyone. I'm also going to be talking about psychology, because psychology holds traders down, and I'm going to be breaking several important parts of psychology for you all that are going to help you scale into profitability. I did it in Bootcamp 1.0, Bootcamp 2.0. I'm going to do it even bigger. So link in the description below, and looking forward to see you in the bootcamp. Let's get back to the video, guys. You do when you come to the charts is what you identify the real-time point where price is at. You all know that this is what I do on every single of my analysis. Then the next thing is what? Understand the story that took prices there. What story took prices there? Okay, it's a story of clear bullish structures, of push, exhaustion, different fractal here. Push, exhaustion, different fractal here. Push, exhaustion, and push. Okay, so prices is clearly bullish without any iota of doubt. So for me to see a trade opportunity below this box, I know that prices has to break the last higher low right here. Okay, but if I take this low and this high, if I take them to the weekly time frame, I can see a trade opportunity within the confines of smaller fractals. Okay, so that is what we are going to do. We'll take it to the weekly time frame, I mean. Okay, so within the weekly time frame, okay, this is what? This is the low and this is the high that we identified on the monthly. So what is the structure? The structure says it's what? Push, exhaustion, push. Monthly has shown us that is bullish. Weekly has shown us that is bullish. Okay, for me to see a trade opportunity within this window, price has to break the last higher low. Okay, this means that what? For now, I have to look for a trade opportunity within the confines of this low and this high, within the confines of smaller fractal within this window here. I have to look for a real-time trade opportunity. So I'll take that window to the daily time frame. Okay, so what did the daily time frame show? The daily time frame, okay, I think the daily time frame starts from here, but let me just identify the weekly structure. Push, exhaustion, push, exhaustion, push, exhaustion, push, exhaustion. This is the last higher low within the confines of this fractal. This means that what? For me to see a trade entry opportunity within this box, I will have to trade, I will have to what? I will have to go to the 4 hours time frame so I can be able to clearly read these smaller fractals here and look for a trade entry opportunity within this box. For me to see a trade entry opportunity within this box, prices has to break the last higher low right here. The last higher low has to be broken. But right now, to see a real-time trade entry opportunity, I have to go what? Within this box to see a real-time trading entry opportunity. So we'll take the box to the 4 hours time frame. And on the 4 hours time frame, this is the low we identified, this is the high we identified. What is the structure? Is push, exhaustion, push, exhaustion, push, exhaustion. Within the confines of this fractal, this is the last higher low. This is not an higher low because it does not have an higher high. Okay, so this is the last higher low within the confines of this fractal. This means that what, for me to see a trade entry opportunity within this box, prices has to what, break into that area. Okay, but right now, for me to see a real-time trading opportunity, what will I do? I will take this low and this high to the 1 hour time frame and look for a trade entry opportunity within this box. Okay, so we'll go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, and the 1 hour time frame brought us to this point where we saw the movement from here to this point. Okay, and we read the movement as what we saw, this ranging fractal, you know, push, exhaustion, push, exhaustion. Okay, as at this point, this was the last higher low. Then we saw prices made the push, and we saw how long the bearish candle was. Either way, prices closed there. So this was where the last higher low stopped. Okay, so this means that what, the break of structure happened here. Okay, so when the break of structure happened here, where is the take profit? Take profit is what? It's at 61 points of the broken fractal. Okay, so prices has already gotten to 61 points. So when the break of structure happened, price was already close to 61.8, which means that what? Which means that there is no trade. Okay, and since we are selling, we know that what, we are selling a retracement because the monthly, weekly, and daily has shown us that price is bullish. So if we are selling, we know the maximum is what, 61 points of the broken fractal. Okay, so this means that what, when price go to 61 points, we identify 61 points as a key reversal area. If we see a break of the bullish structure that brought, if we see a break of the bearish structure that took price to 61.8, what are we going to do? Buy at the break of the bearish structure. Okay, so now what is the bearish structure? Now we identify the bearish structure as what? As push, exhaustion, push. A clear break of the structure happened at this candle right here. A clear break of the structure. So what does that mean? This means that what? Using entry variation 1, it is ready. You can buy here, put your stop loss here for about 200 pips, then right to the top here for about what? 278 pips. Okay, so this particular trade is like a 1 ratio 1 point, you know, maybe one ratio 1.4 risk reward. Okay, so this is how to do a simple breakdown of USDJPY. Clearly, we know if we are buying in the direction of trend, which is 100.0. Okay, so this is how to do the clear analysis of USDJPY.